I'm just sat having a minute and reflecting on cultures and this thing that I call E-word cultures, which I'm hearing whichever organisation, sporting or business, that I go to. Those E-word cultures being a culture of enabling and engagement and empowering. And why wouldn't organisations want that? What a fantastic notion. And yet, have we really thought it through? Do we know how to? Do we know what empowerment actually means? Does everybody have the same definition? Those we're trying to empower and those who are trying to create empowerment. And just think of some of the hurdles that we have to come over that can be overcome, but that can prevent it. People have actually got to want to be empowered. I've got to take the power. And that requires people to stand up and put their head above the sand and take a risk and make a decision. All of a sudden, they're more visible, certainly more responsible, which is a great thing. And many people initially might want to shy away from that. And then think about it from a manager's point of view, trying to create empowerment, give away power, if you like. Now that can be a scary thing. Because if I feel I'm giving away power, potentially, I feel out of control. I feel out of control. And I've also got my own boss to please. And the world becomes a bit scary. So again, not straightforward. If we can help our leaders learn to coach, learn to get comfortable with not feeling in so much of control, yet giving control and power to others, then we can achieve so much more quickly. Leaders who coach create empowerment.